Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be unboxing because I bought a YSL bag on Neiman Marcus that I've been wanting. I wanted something black with silver, but that is kind of informal, so I can wear with sneakers. I know I just bought the Chanel boy bag that has silver, but that's a little bit more formal. So I wanted something more informal to wear with jeans and sneakers and on a daily basis, right? So let's get started. So here it is. It's smaller than I thought, actually. But this is the Niki bag in, I think this is the medium size. I think they have the baby and then medium and then large. Let me see if there's nothing else. Okay, so this is, I don't know how I feel about this leather. It feels kind of cheap, but they didn't have any other leather at Neiman Marcus. But also I feel that it looks very carefree, and also is very mommy bag. Like you can put a bunch of stuff. It has this humongous bag in the back, and it, I think, is magnetic. Let me take everything out. So this has a magnet. Let me take this off. So it's very well packaged. It's big. So just look at everything it has inside. Like this pocket is big. The compartment is big. And this is also very big. It has a small pocket here, and then it has a zipper there, which is I think it's super spacious. So what I like is that the YSL is also leather, so it's very, very understated, very muted. It's not like in your face. So very, very well packaged. But let me show you. Let me close it because I hate when they are not closed. So this is it. I am a sucker for chains, so I love anything that has chain. I think it's calf leather and it's crinkled, vintage leather, something like that. But this is what I don't like, that it's very, like, it looks very plasticky, maybe because of the shine of the leather. It looks kind of plasticky. I'm not a fan of that. But if I keep it, I'm definitely gonna buy shapers. It is very soft. I don't love it. I don't love that it's very, very soft. So I'm definitely gonna put a shaper. But this is what makes me worried, that I feel like it's gonna just pull apart or mess up with the leather. But so this is what it looks like. Let me show you how it looks like empty, and then I'll put all the stuff inside, all the stuff that I normally carry. Let me show you like this. You see it, like you can like squeeze it completely. I don't love that. And then long. then crossbody. I like it crossbody. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what I normally carry. So I can show you how I organize everything. So sunscreen, I'm gonna put it in this front. This one, my ibuprofens, another sunscreen, and then Kleenex, all of those on the front. And then maybe I have like a small powder. I'll put it there in the front too, here. And then I have my, what's it called? My birdie that makes noise. Let me see if I want to put it here. I have it there. And then I'll just have my lip oil there. And then I have my Chanel pouch. Put it in the big one. And then my card holder also in the big one. And then my other YSL pouch. The three there. And I have a lot of space. I wanna see. And then I have this small mirror that I'm gonna put in this pocket with my this fits perfect in this pocket. And this one I'm gonna put in the front because it fits perfectly too. I think I'm gonna move this to the big one just because I have more space. And then I'm gonna put a pen somewhere. And then my hand cream. My hand cream. So I have everything here. And I want to show you. I want to see if my Louis Vuitton big agenda fits, which I think it should fit. Maybe? No. It doesn't fit. Like it's... Let me take everything out. And now I'm pretty sure it does fit, but maybe I'm pushing it. Okay, so the agenda does fit. And then let me see. Normally I wouldn't carry my agenda, but I can put everything else and it does fit. Like everything else is there. And let's see if it closes. Like it's too much. So I'm gonna take out the agenda. I just wanted to see if it fits, and it does fit. But so I have everything else here. This is what I normally carry. Oh, and a Dior travel perfume that I just gonna put there. So I have everything that I need here. Sorry, the chain is pretty noisy, but this is what it looks like with all my essentials, with all my stuff. And then I'm recording with my phone, but this is the case, and this one fits perfectly in the back, and it doesn't even make it bulky or anything. So let me show you how the bag looks now that it's full. So now that it's full, it's a little bit bulky. Now I can't press it completely, but this is what it looks like. Long. Like this still has a lot of space there. This is why I want to put the shaper, so it doesn't do that. This does make it a little bit bulky, but I think it's still okay. like that. And then I was even thinking, like, maybe if I want a top handle, like maybe I can do something here, like use a, I'm trying to engineer here something, like, let's say I'm gonna use my keys, because my keys have this, so I'm thinking, like, maybe if I keep it like this, if I use this, something like that, like obviously not that, but something similar, like I could close it, I will close it and then maybe carry it like that. I don't think so because it's weird, but I mean, I'm trying to see if I can find a way to use that top handle. Maybe there's no way without losing its shape, but maybe this is the only way to use it, like to have it like that. I think it's too long, but I don't see any other way where you can use a top handle. Maybe I'll find a way. So what I don't like is that this kind of like lifts. I don't like that. I don't know why is it, but I do not love it. Like that, it doesn't look that bad, too bad, but if I grab it like this, like you can see like it's lifting this, and I don't love it. I guess it's part of the personality of this bag. I don't know, but I don't love it. I don't love that, especially when you have like a lot of stuff. You see it, that's what I don't like it lifts this. I don't know, and I don't know how to fix it, to be honest. I don't know if it's fixable because the chain is coming from here, so it's lifting it. I don't know, but this is how it looks like on the side. Again, I don't love it, but it's definitely more informal and that's what I wanted. Like, let me show you. I have sneakers on, so I'll show you how it looks like with the stuff and without the stuff. But so yes, this is it. All my stuff is inside, and this is what it looks like. I like it. I love it. It's very mommy friendly. Like, it does fit a lot of things, so many things, and it looks kind of like edgy. Like, I don't know, again, I love chains, so I do love the chain in this. Not a fan of this leather, but it's different from everything else I have. Like, to be honest, I don't have anything like this because I'm very, this is what I like and this is what I buy. So this is definitely something different from everything else I have. So I'm gonna embrace it. I'm gonna embrace the difference, the different leather. Definitely new for me. But thank you guys for watching. And oh, I didn't say, so the price at Neiman Marcus is $33,150, and I think with Neiman Marcus you can do it with pay it with a firm and in 6 months without interests. So if you're interested in that, it's definitely a good choice because if you do it separately, like Fashion File and Affirm, they do have interests, but Neiman Marcus doesn't have interests. So it's amazing. 6 months to pay it in 6 months is not bad. It's the payment is less than $600 a month, which is not bad compared to just giving $3,000 in advance. That's an option to consider. But yes, this was it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.